Hey, what's up guys, how it's going? This is Dr. Crypto, starting the video with live market update and predicting the next BTC move. So before we continue, we would like to tell you about our Discord channel. So we have just started this Discord channel where we guide our students about live market analysis throughout the day, where our students spend couple of hours with us on live video streams. So we teach them about how to predict Bitcoin moves or any altcoins, or how to trade Forex, etc. So if you also want to learn technical analysis live with us, with our experts, so you can contact us on Telegram, or we will guide you about the procedure. So starting the video with market update, this is Bitcoin slash USDT, starting from 30-minute time frame. So we can see it's clear from here that price is actually forming a trend line like here, and we can see formation of higher highs and higher lows below. Okay, so creating what? Liquidity right here, liquidity right here, liquidity right here. And also it's clear from here that the structure has been broken, and now currently the price is actually like trying to retest again this zone. If this zone gets validated, so we might see two moves on 30-minute time frame. So first move is consolidation right here in this green box, then dropping the price down towards 20k or even 19k. So I will discuss about that later in this video. Or the price may pump from here and goes higher, consolidating into this order block right here, consolidating, and then moving the price substantially downwards. So this was the move that I am seeing on 30-minute time frame, because whenever we see for a trend line forming, so basically this is the core idea. Whenever we see trend line forming like here, we form couple of liquidity below this, trapping what retailers on this test, and this move, like always we see this move in the market. So jumping on 4-hour time frame, let me remove this all stuff from here. Okay, now it's looking good. So jumping on 4-hour time frame, what I'm seeing on this time frame is support like here. It was actually area of inefficiency on 30-minute time frame. That's why I predicted this zone that should be tested. That's why price came and tested perfectly this zone. So what's happening now right now in the market is formation of this order block right here. We can expect a move up, mitigating into this order block, then substantially moving the price towards lower zones. So the core idea is that we are still bearish. So guys, this was today's market update. Hope you guys understand the market, or it's quite easy for you guys to predict BTC move. So thank you very much.